Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the quest to the Green Fields, which is part of the Tales of Hernandian Residence. So first things first, to get this quest you're going to need to come up to this side of the map here. I'm just going to zoom out so you can see where I am on the map. So you've obviously got the town of Hernand just here, and then you've got to come through the Rocker Hills, up here through Hook Rapids, and then you've got the Hills of No Return, and then after that to the southeast of that you've got the ranch here, which is Saddle Cap Ranch. So when you get here you're basically going to be looking for this farmer here. And if we go ahead and dismount, he will then set us up with a chat dialogue that will then give us the quest to start herding the cattle. Now in order to move the cows themselves we need to use the same command that we used to call our horse, which is H. And in this instance there's several things to point out. So this quest is quite buggy. First things first, you do need to actually make sure that you get all of the cattle involved. Now it is actually possible to also ride these by just holding down E like you would on your horse, and then you can start spamming the H key to start whistling, and that will begin to move the cattle. They do not move from 1H, you do have to use quite a few of them to get them moving, and some of them are quite temperamental. I would like to point out as well that they do all show up on your map as orange, so you should be able to see them on your map now, and you can see that we have moved the entire herd out of the pen and they are going to begin moving towards the pastures. Now they will automatically start making their way there. I do want to highlight as well though that some of them can be very temperamental when it comes to moving, and you might have to mount them to get them to move sometimes, as they do just sort of mull about. It is definitely not the easiest of quests I've found. We will also run into several other cattle herds on the way there. However, one of the things you do need to keep in mind obviously is that our cows are highlighted in orange, and that means that you will not have to worry about them getting lost if you just track your mini-map. And as long as you stay behind them and keep spamming H, you should be okay. You can see here we've got some cows on the left that are not part of our herd, and they will just run off on their own accord. We don't have to worry about them. Again, just using the minimap here to track them. Try not to go ahead, try not to go in front or anything, as they do get quite buggy. I find just bringing up the rear is the easiest way to get them to all move. If you do have any of them that detach themselves from the herd, you can just mount up and bring them back in. Again, the way to make this the easiest as possible is to just hang back slightly behind the herd, riding one of the bulls and just spamming the whistle button. I have found as well that this quest does sometimes bug when it comes to handing in if the cattle get stuck on another herd. So the first time that I attempted this, we ran into a sheep herd at the hand-in, and I think some of the cows bugged out, but I was unable to actually physically hand in the quest. So do keep that in mind as you're approaching the farmers to hand in. If there is another cattle or sheep herd around, it might be worth just waiting for them to move out of the way before you actually get the cattle to the point of hand-in. And here you can see we're now approaching the two farmers with the cattle. There is not a herd in the way right now. I mean, we do have some extra cows around that aren't ours, but there aren't any sheep or anything like that. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and dismount off this one, and there we go. You can see that all of those cows have now disappeared off our mini-map, and we can then approach the two farmers to hand in. And then after the chat dialogue, we have managed to complete the quest to the Green Fields, and as you can see we also get an increase now in our bag space, which is fantastic. This is the herd, funnily enough, just here that I actually got caught on the first time I did this, and this will bug out the quest, so do be mindful of that when you're doing this. But that just about wraps it up for this video, guys. Really hope the tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.